Welcome to ACP-30 Dumpster Service and discover the best dumpster rental in Hernando, Mississippi. Managing waste can be a hassle when renovating your home, clearing your garage, or handling a construction project. That's why we're here to provide you with the best dumpster rental services in Hernando, Mississippi. With our reliable and affordable options, you can focus on your project while we care for the waste. Why choose ACP-30 Dumpster Service? Our dumpsters are sturdy and reliable, perfect for handling any waste. Plus, our team is dedicated to providing top-notch customer service. We're always available to answer your questions and ensure you have everything you need for a smooth rental experience. We pride ourselves on timely deliveries and pickups, so your project stays on track without delays. Choosing ACP-30 Dumpster Service for your dumpster rental in Hernando, Mississippi, means choosing reliability, affordability, and exceptional customer service. We're here to make your waste management easy and stress-free. Don't let waste pile up and slow down your project. Contact us today to rent your dumpster and keep your project moving forward seamlessly. Visit our website at www.acp30dumpsterservice.com, Dumpster Rental Hernando MS, or call 901-486-6110. Remember, with ACP-30 Dumpster Service, you get the best dumpster rental in Hernando, Mississippi. Let's keep your projects clean and efficient.